Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed the examples of calculation of interior of a set, exterior of a set and boundary point of a set. Okay, now I am going to solve one more example to calculate interior of a set, exterior of a set and boundary point of a set. Okay, let x equals set of a, b, c, d, e and tau equals x pi singleton set A, set of a comma b, set of a, c, d, set of a, b, c, d, set of a, b, e and a equals set of a, b, c. Find interior, exterior of A and boundary points. Okay, it is given that x is a, b, set of a, b, c, d, e and tau is given, tau equals x pi singleton set a, b, a, c, d, a, b, c, d, a, b, e and a is given set of a, b, c. First we have to calculate the interior of A. We know that interior of A is union of all tau open subsets of x contained in A. Here A is ABC. All tau open subsets of X which contained in AB and means the subsets of the tau open subsets of X which are also subsets of this set ABC. X is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E is not a subset of A, B, C. So don't write. Pi is a subset of A, B, C. Right. Singleton set A is a subset of A, B, C. Okay. Set of A, B is a subset of A, B, C. So write. A, C, D is not a subset of A, B, C. A, B, C, D not a subset of A, B, C. Don't write. A, B, E is not a subset of A, B, C. So don't write. Union of pi A, B is A, B. This is interior of a set A. Similarly, we should calculate exterior of A. That is exterior of A equals union of all tau open subsets of X contained in X minus A. Okay, first calculate X minus A. X is A, B, C, D, E. A is set of A, B, C. X minus A is there. B cancel, C cancel, D and D remaining elements D, E. Okay, the open subsets, tau open subsets which are contained in this set X minus A. The subsets of D. X is not a subset of D. Pi. So write pi. AB. AB is not a subset of D. AB, AC. These all are not a subset of D. So pi. Only set is pi. So exterior of A equals pi. Next boundary point of A. Boundary point of A is the set of all those elements of A which are neither belongs to A interior nor belongs to exterior. Here the set of elements of A which are neither belongs to interior nor belongs to interior of A, B, C. A, B, A and B are belongs to interior, so don't write these two. Okay, exterior pi, so remaining element is C. Therefore boundary of a point A is singleton set C. Next, base and subbase. Okay, here we shall discuss relative topology, subspaces, base for a topology, subbases, local base, second countable space, topologies generated by classes of sets, separable space, cover of a space and Lindelof space. Okay, first one, we should understand what is relative topology. Okay, let X tau be a topological space and Y be a subset of X. Here X tau is topological space, Y is a subset of X. The family U of all subsets which are intersection of Y with members of tau. Listen carefully. The family U of all subsets which are intersection of Y with members of tau. That is, U is the family of Y intersection every member of this tau. Or we can write collection of Y intersection A where this A is a member of tau. This is called relative topology on Y. Later I solve examples to clarify relative topology definition. Okay. Next, subspace. Subspace nothing but Let X tau be a topological space. Okay, if U is a relative topology for a subset Y of X, if U is a relative topology for subset Y of X, then the corresponding topological space Y comma U, the corresponding topological space Y comma U is called subspace of X tau. Okay, here let X equals set of A comma B and tau equals set of X pi A B be a topology for X. Find the relative topology of A subset of X where A equals singleton set A. Okay, first write X, set of AB, tau is X pi singleton set A, singleton set B, and A is in singleton set A. Here we have to calculate relative topology U for A. So first relative topology U for this singleton set A. So A intersection with every element of tau, with every members of tau, that is first member X intersection A. Here X intersection A is the elements of X are AB intersection, or X is AB intersection A equals, which is common element A, nothing but A. Similarly, pi intersection any set is pi. Next A intersection A, B intersection A. Similarly, okay, A intersection A is A, nothing but A, that is A. B intersection A, this A nothing but singleton set A, or B intersection A, there is no common element, so pi. Hence the relative topology U for A is A pi A pi. U equals set of A comma pi. Next, let X equals one set of 1 2 3 4 5 and tau equals X pi singleton set 1, set of 3 4, set of 1 3 4, set of 2 3 4 5 be a topology for X. Let A equals set of 1 4 5 be a subset of X. Find the relative topology and subspace for A. Okay, first write X given, tau is given, A is given. Now take A intersection with every members of tau. X intersection A, X is this one, intersection this one is common element 1 4 5. 1 4 5 nothing but A is again. Pi intersection A is pi. Singleton set 1 intersection A 1 4 5 is singleton set 1. Set of 3 4 intersection 1 4 5 is 4. Set of 2 3 4 5 intersection A is 1 4 5. Common element 1 4. And set of 2 3 4 5 intersection set of 1 4 5 is set of 4 5. Hence the relative topology U for A is, write all the sets 4 5 these set of A pi singleton set 1, singleton set 4, set of 1 comma 4 and set of 4 comma 5. Hence the relative topology U for A is U equals set of A pi 1 4 1 4 1 4 5 and A comma U is a subspace of X tau. Similarly, same example, let X equals set of A B C D E and tau equals set of X pi singleton set A, set of AB, set of ABCD, set of ABC be a topology for X. Let A equals set of ACE be a subset of X. Find the relative topology for A. Okay, this is also very easy. First write X, write tau, write A. Now take intersection of A with every members of tau. X intersection A. X is A, B, C, D, E. Intersection A is A, C, E. X common elements are set of A, C, E. Nothing but set A. Is it clear? Okay, similarly pi intersection A is pi. Singleton set A intersection A is singleton set A. Next AB intersection A, ACD intersection A with every element A. Set of AB intersection A is set A. Set of ACD intersection ACE, AC. Set of ABCD intersection set of ACE is AC. Set of ABE intersection set of AC is AE. Hence, the relative topology U for A is A pi singleton set A, singleton set of A comma C and set of A comma B.